There is no question Huawei gained a big market share in the past 3 years, especially in Asia and Africa. In July 2017, Huawei even managed to become the world's second best smartphone brand, coming behind Samsung and surpassing Apple for the first time. Today we have one of the latest offerings from Huawei in the mid-range segment, the Huawei P Smart. So let's open the box together. The P Smart box has a minimal design. On the back you will find highlights of the phone specs. Opening the box, you will find the phone first in blue. And if you look closely, you will notice that the box was originally designed for a device much bigger than the P Smart. But let's not let this ruin our unboxing experience. In the box also you will find screen protector, user guide, a hard plastic semi-transparent case, and Huawei here added a nice touch making the case the same color as the phone. So if you order the black P Smart, you will get a black case, and same for the blue and the gold. Also in the box you will find micro USB cable for data and charging, 1 ampere charger, and being only 1 ampere means it will take longer time to charge. Lastly, earphones, and this is not the best quality earphones, but it's better than not adding earphones at all. Back to the phone, and holding it you will feel the premium metal design on the back and the sides, with silver lines on the back, top and bottom. Also the glass in front is curved on the corners 2.5D, so the design and the materials are premium enough and feels good in the hand. The P Smart uses hybrid SIM tray, which means you can use 2 nano SIM at once, or 1 nano SIM and micro SD card. One of the selling points of the P Smart is the display. It's a 5.65-inch IPS panel with 1080 by 2160 resolution. That's 18 by 9 aspect ratio, or what Huawei calls it full view display. A standard display for PC, TV or smartphones used to be 16 by 9 aspect ratio, which means 16 units by 9 units. A full HD display, for example, is 1920 by 1080, and that's 16 by 9. However, since 2017, smartphones starts to use 18 by 9 displays. An 18 by 9 display is slightly longer than the 16 by 9 display. This will allow smartphone makers to squeeze a bigger display in a smaller size phone, and the display will have more real estate to show more content. Huawei P Smart also comes with a dual camera at the back. The main camera is 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel secondary camera to help analyze the depth of field to isolate the background and the portrait shots. Here are some quick shots from the P Smart camera till we can talk about it more in the full review. The P Smart powered by Kirin 659 processor, and Huawei used the same processor in smartphones like Mate 10 Lite and Honor 7X. Kirin 659 has an octa-core Cortex A53 CPU and Mali T830 GPU. It's a mid-range processor, and with 3GB of RAM, it should be no problem for the P Smart to handle the multitasking and heavy application like games. P Smart runs Huawei's latest version of its custom UI EMUI 8. And it's built on Android 8.0 Oreo. I usually don't prefer EMUI, but we will see how it will perform in the full review. The P Smart will cost you $200 or 180 euros, depends where you're buying it. However, here in Mauritius it will cost you between 9,500 to 11k Mauritian rupees. I will leave link for the cheapest price in the description below the video. This was an unboxing and my initial impression for the Huawei P Smart. Make sure to subscribe by clicking the Nexus Zone icon here to see the full review when it's up, and ring the bell icon to get notified of the new videos on Nexus Zone. This was Ahmed Al Alfi, and until next time, salam.